My name is Mark Ferbacher. I'm from Universal Imports of Rochester. We've been in business 40 years, and we've been with AutoLeap for 2 years. We're from Rochester, New York. So before we were with AutoLeap, we were with a company that really seemed to kind of keep us down. We were not able to really grow. Once we started with AutoLeap, we saw a big growth, really almost instantly. Because of having the digital vehicle inspection and just the professionalism of the AutoLeap software, we have been able to grow our business by almost $800,000 this year, just in service alone. So I feel that if we would have stayed with the software we were with for many, many years, and we would not have made a change, I'm not sure if we'd even still be looking at being in business 5 years from now. I think making the change to a company like AutoLeap that has just such professionalism and is really cutting the way for the future, it's a must for any shop that wants to survive in this economy.